Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds called alcohol. Evaluate yourself 6. Already we have published 5. Evaluate yourself. Identify the product in the following reaction. Write their IUPAC names and mention the mechanism involved in the reactions. 3 reactions are given. Cyclopentanol when heated in the presence of corn sulfuric acid. Butane 1-ol when treated with the corn sulfuric acid and NaBr. Neopentyl alcohol when treated with the phosphorus pentachloride. So first reaction we are going to solve. Cyclopentanol. First reaction. Cyclopentane contain one OH group, the same carbon containing one hydrogen also. This is your cyclopentanol. When treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, it is a dehydrating agent used to remove water molecule. On heating, dehydration takes place. D means removal, hydra means water molecule, dehydration, removal of water molecule. One H plus and OH minus is removed as H2O. There is no atom outside of the benzene, cyclopentanol. This bond is shifted inside of the benzene ring and a double bonded compound is formed. Cyclopentanol loss one water molecule, H plus OH minus removed as H2O gives the product. This is nothing but cyclopentene. This reaction is an elimination reaction and it is a secondary alcohol CHOH, therefore follow E1 mechanism. This reaction follows E1 mechanism. Come to the second reaction given in our evaluate yourself. Butane 1-ol in presence of sulfuric acid. Butane 1-ol 4 carbon, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Oxygen has 2 pair of electron. 4 carbon butane single bond N OH all position of OH is 1. First when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid HOSO3H, H plus HSO4 bisulfate ion. Oxygen donate a pair of electron to H plus, thereby a new bond is formed. CH3, CH2, 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 OH. One more new bond is formed with hydrogen. There is one pair of electron plus on oxygen atom. We know whenever oxygen donate a pair of electron, it remove a pair of electron from nearby bond. Therefore, gives a positively charged carbocation CH3, CH2, CH2. First carbon now get positively charged with the loss of one molecule of water. Now we are going to add the NPR, sodium bromide, NaBr. Undergo ionization gives Na plus and Br minus. In the first step, we have one bisulfate ion, HSO4 minus ion. What happens? This Br is added to, Br minus is added to carbon plus gives the product, main product, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br plus loss of NaHSO4, sodium bisulfate. So the product is 1 bromo 4 carbon butane single bond N butane, 1 bromo butane. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. OH minus ion is finally substituted by Br minus ion. Therefore, this reaction follows SN2 mechanism. Come to third reaction, neopentyl alcohol when treated with the phosphorus pentachloride. Third reaction. The molecular formula for neopentyl alcohol CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH2OH. I will write the IUPAC name. When treated with phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. What is IUPAC name? 3 carbon main chain prop carbon single bond N OH all position of OH1 1 propanol. Second carbon containing 2 methyl group 2,2 dimethyl propane 1 all when treated with the PCl5. OH undergo reaction. 1 H and 1 Cl is removed as HCl. This oxygen and PCl3 is removed as POCl3. 1 chlorine is added to that carbon atom gives CH3, C, CH3, CH3. Here you have 1 CH2Cl plus loss of POCl3 and HCl. Common name neopentyl chloride. When we write the IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon propane, carbon single bond N propane. And in the first carbon we have 1 chloro, second carbon containing 2 methyl group. 1 chloro, 2,2 dimethyl propane. What is the mechanism of this reaction? We know this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. And neopentyl alcohol is a primary alcohol. Therefore, this reaction follows SN2 mechanism. Therefore, this reaction follows SN2 mechanism. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.